Question 4a. Identify 5 ways in which the work of the Holy Spirit was manifested on the day of Pentecost. How was it manifested? Yes.
About 3,000 people repented and were baptized.
Mm-hmm.
The Holy Spirit came in the form of a violent wind which filled the room.
Mm-hmm.
Tongues of fire came to rest upon each of the disciples. The believers spoke in tongues.
Mm-hmm.
The Holy Spirit gave Peter the courage, and he explained to the people the events that they had just witnessed.
Yes. So many people also are convicted of their sins. You talked about repenting, and also Peter remembered Joel's prophecy. Question 4b. Outline the role played by the youth in the church today. The role played by the youth in the church today. Kennedy Kalonzo. What is the role played by the youth in the church today? It is very easy. Participating in Bible what? Reading. They help in collection of tithe. They distribute invitation letters for an occasion. They also engage in church crusades. In church crusades, what do the youth do? They distribute what? Posters. They also take part in singing at the as choir members, and they participate in Bible reading. Question 4c. State 8 challenges that hinder the church from carrying out its mission effectively in Kenya today. You did not do those questions. Mm-hmm. Yes? Do you know the answers? What hinders?
Poverty,
Yes?
lack of cooperation,
Mm-hmm. I'll help you. Some church leaders are rejected. That's why the church cannot carry out their mission. There is also in a superiority complex, whereby it's called what? Rivalry among themselves, tribalism, or you can call it discrimination. There is religious syncretism, where some church members are hypocrites. Inadequate finances is said about poverty. There is conflicting in the interpretation of the Bible. We have political interference. And then they encounter temptations in their work, church leaders. So the church cannot carry out its mission effectively. There is also language barrier. And then permissiveness in the society. There is too much freedom in the society. Question 5a. Reasons why Christians condemn homosexuality. I taught Form 4 work, yes? Mm-hmm.
Is that taboo in all African communities?
Mm-hmm.
It may lead to physiological problems.
Mm-hmm.
It can lead to reproductive HIV.
Mm-hmm.
It cannot lead to establishment of normal family.
Mm-hmm.
It cannot lead to birth of children. There is no fulfillment of sexual intercourse.
And it is a form of sexual immorality. It's against also God's teaching. It's a sin. And then we go to 5b. State 7 similarities between traditional African and Christian understanding of marriage. What are the similarities? Yes? Yes, true. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, true. It's a gift from God. Yes, you talked about it. It is also permanent. You talked about it. And then in both, the husband and the wife should give each other conjugal rights. And then the husband is the head of the family. Question 5c. Give 6 effects of divorce on children in Kenya today. Effects of divorce. Yes?
Loss of parental love and guidance
Mm-hmm.
can lead to drug abuse. They can suffer emotional imbalance, can lead to school dropouts, can lead to child abuse or labor,
Yes, many engaging in prostitution and also can lead to death. Very good. Question 6a. Explain 4 negative effects of introduction of money economy in traditional African communities. What were the negative effects of introduction of money? Yes. Mm. Yes, true. It also led to wage labor, and there was increase in the gap between the rich and the poor. And also, as you talked about, the commercialization of the red wealth. Question 6b, outline the teachings of Jesus on wealth. Form 4, Jesus' teachings on wealth. Samuel, you've done that? Yes.
It should be distributed equally. It is a blessing from God which sustainable. God provides wealth to those who obey Him. Wealth should be used to help the needy, not required and
Yes. So earthly wealth is also temporary. Wealth should be used responsibly. You can also say it should be used to help the needy. And wealth, we are only stewards. We are not the owners of the wealth. The last question, give 6 reasons why Christians should not involve themselves in gambling. Yes. Why you should, this one we should, why you should not involve yourself in gambling? Did you write the answers? Yes, tell me why you should not involve yourself as Christians. See, all of you are Christians. Why you should not involve yourself in gambling? Yes?
It leads to stress,
Mm-hmm.
it leads to loss of money,
Mm-hmm.
it leads to poverty.
It may. That one you say it may. Mm-hmm. Also, gambling enables one to get money without working for it. It creates bitterness, especially when you lose. Yes, the Bible condemns unfair interests, which is gambling. There is no security of wealth in gambling. It is addictive. It may lead to loss of life. It may lead to stress. It also shows lack of trust in God. You don't trust God that you can get wealthy. It can also lead to poverty, as he said. So during class time,